Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera and make sure that you're on the photo mode. Now let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see on the very first option bar we've got the ratio. So we've got 4 options to choose from. Now we've got 1:1 option applied because it is highlighted, and after getting back to the camera you can say that it has the square shape. Let me show you another option. So let's tap on 3:4. Let's tap on it. As you can see, it is highlighted and the camera also has changed. Now it has, let's say, more rectangular shape. Let's tap on the three bars icon again and check 9:16, and as you can see the camera is almost on the whole screen, and after tapping on full the camera is on the whole screen actually. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to choose. I will pick, for example, 3:4 and simply tap on it in order to apply. So that's all. This is how to change aspect ratio in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.